ที่ของแชมป์เปี้ยนเขากำลังไปปิดด้วยสกอร์4-0ตรงนี้
เลือกกลับไปรอบชิงมันบอกเลยว่าแตกตายร้อนเฮ้ยเล่นตรงนี้เล่นเพื่อกูเฮ้ยทีเดียวโดดดิโมเมนตัมมันมาแล้วเว้ย
แพ้ก็ช่างชนะก็ช่างเว้ย
แก้จริงๆหัวแก้มเลย
From the before is video ROV Pro League 2021 summer, one of the official professional esport competition in Thailand. There are a competition for the prize money worth up to the 10 million baht, which throughout the tournament ROV Pro League which was first organized in 2017 has created a lot of excitement in the Thai esport industry and has seen a trend in sport. Clearly until it is considered one of the most talking about with the online era. Its gaming is not just fun anymore, but everyone has a real talent will lead this game to make money, build career, have a real income for themselves by distinct other core esport. If the opposite is true, esport is an electronic sport competition or electronic sport with a rule set, and rule come up to be an international system. Anyone who participates on the competition must abide by the rule as in any other sport, with various types of game used in competition. It can be divided 3 levels: amateur, semi-pro and professional. In each tournament, there will be the prize money for the winner, which live broadcast across the world by the online channel to those who are interested in online viewing around the world. After that has been agreed with Sport Commission of Thailand meeting to be a type of sport that can be registered for the establishment of a sport association, which is also an opportunity for talented people to compete on an international stage on behalf of Thailand. There are many numbers confirming that ROV is the one sport. Esports are very popular by world statistics. Such can point to the future growth and development in market and the esport industry. If counting the current situation, whether it is in 2020, found that the Tencent has reverted from ROV game minimal 48 billion baht and is a mobile game on the mobile phone that Thai people play many more, as total number of players around the world is many more 1060 people per day, very very high ever that this is also an esport competition, both nationally and globally. Whether in 2022 Asian Games in Guangzhou to be held, ROV is one of the 8 named list for the competition. And Thai making history in SEA Games 2019. Thai national team ROV won the gold medal of this season.
We see ability to present computer program is assist in the development of the game arena of warrior or AOV in statistical for performance and analysis. We start at empathy with a person in the format of Google Form or survey questionnaires to keep information. So we have 3 parts. The first is basic information for comment. The second is a comment on detail for game AOV. The third is comment assist for play AOV with the comment in a community group on platform Facebook group. So is assembling begin player to professional player and have analyzed game. This group has allowed 300 people in there. Discover there's less 17-year-olds count 26.7%, 18 to 25-year-olds count 56.7%, 26 to 50-year-olds count 16.7%. By the time that plays AOV per day, we can divide it into quarters. Around 10% play AOV for less than 1 hour per day. In 26.7% play AOV 2 to 3 hours per day. In 30% spending time 1 to 2 hours per day. That get group of from 33% is spending time to play AOV more than 3 hours per day. At this point, we can see a time that they spending time with play AOV. We carry the point of view on this AOV for roughly 40% is can attain a clearing. In 26.7% they can see the change to esport. This point can see the impact of the AOV game on the community. The comment about details AOV, we can find that people more than 50% know, understand the basics of the game. For example, they know about the state or skills of the hero or detail of item of the game. Around 50% they don't know or understand to use this information, so as mission periodically. We have a solution. So the solution of the AOV game we divide into 3 parts. The first one is we can have exits to count the state of heroes to use the item. The second is we need to have a program to compare all the state of heroes for a situation. The last one, we need to have a program to show overall all the state of 5 heroes in a team. In 50% they agree with that, but 5% don't agree with it. For these statistics show that player wants program assist to help them when they play AOV.
Do we also bring addition, comment, and suggestion to develop the program or help in the game? ROE from the survey developed into a computer program in the type of web application. Performance analysis, AOV assistant. So for easy understanding of the game, we will explain a brief the basic system of the AOV game first.
Next, talk about performance and analytics AOV assistant. It's a web application to collect information related to playing and has a function to assistant play. Makes for every player from general to professional player. It can be used by the user to display all the details of the hero or in-game item. The highlight of this program is that it can be collect the hero stat when using item in each situation, which can be compared with all two heroes. Finally, it can show an overview of the variant stat of all 5 heroes in the team to future design strategy or how to play in a variety of ways in the real game. Let's go about software specification. System architecture. From the analysis of system requirement and user, can bring the information to design for the system to be suitable for user needs. The internal structure of the web application architecture is divided into 2 parts, front-end and back-end. The front-end part serves to display the interface towards the screen. The software will be developed and enhanced with HTML, JavaScript by the user, collects data for the system, and the front-end part will display results with user. Next, to the backend, Onkeaw this part does the web server consists of 2 systems that work together, file system and database. It serves to contain app logic with PHP, JavaScript, and Python. Both frontend and backend serve request and response to each other. Next, system design. Review on the contact diagram. Show how the software works together with user, database, and admin as shown in the figure. Finally, system design shown on GUI diagram. The program starts with login into the system. Then, the user can choose to use the function of the software, which consists of 3 main parts. One performance hero. This function can also be divided into 3 sub-functions. 1 attribute and ability, 2 build item, and 3 compare. Start next to all items, and 3 overall pick start. We will explain how the program works along with the UI page. 1. Login user. Must enter username and password before using the program. Next to performance hero, there are 3 sub-functions, 1 attribute and ability. The program will allow the user to select a hero in order to display the hero stat in a simple graph for easy of analysis. Build item. The program will still allow the user to select hero again. Then the user will be able to choose to build every item. The system will show detailed stats to allow users to test the use of each item on various heroes. Compare stats. This section will allow users to select two heroes to compare stats statistically. Next function, our item. The program will show all the details of the item in the game. Finally, overall picture function. The program will allow the user to select all 5 heroes in every position. This program will show all stats whether in overall or in different way. This section will help you design strategy or methods of play in the game.